Here's the detailed AliExpress data complete with the title, the images, the seller, and the various pricing details. And here's the detailed search results data complete with pagination and various other details like the title, the price, and such kind of details that you will be able to extract after watching this video. If you've ever tried scrapping AliExpress, you know what looks really simple on paper is a completely different story when it comes to production. Scrapping AliExpress seems simple, right? Just go to the website, grab whatever data you need, and you're done, isn't it? But if you try to do it at scale, you're gonna run into various issues. AliExpress is going to block you, it is going to give you captchas, page timers, or pages that never seems to load. Now, to resolve these issues, you can use Playwright, Puppeteer, or you can use residential proxies, or you can use complex selectors, but you will have to maintain them month over month. Now, let me show you a really easy way to get AliExpress data, and you don't have to write any complex selectors or maintain them month over month, and you can get it in the 5 minutes only. Let's roll. We want to get detailed AliExpress data like this one. To get such kind of detailed data, we need to use Python, and to make our life simple and so we don't have to write any complex selector code, we are going to take help of an API called the AliExpress Scrapper API by Omkar Cloud. So it's developed by Omkar Cloud, which has been rated excellent on Trustpilot. Now, to use this API, you simply have to sign up on Omkar Cloud website. You're going to get 100 requests free to make to this API. And after you have created that account, you can start using our API. First, you have to search it on the dashboard for AliExpress, and then you can visit this card. And it has got the endpoint to get the search results and product detail. So let's start with getting the search results. So we're just going to copy this thing. I'm already written code to just get the data and print it as JSON in this response file. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter the query webcam. I'm simply going to hit python test.py to get the data. As you can see, we have got back detailed search results data, and it's got the title, the price, the currency, the rating, and such kind of details that are very important to us. Now let us see how we can get the detailed data about our product. So the product that we're interested in, this endpoint we're interested in. So let me just copy this thing. And the product that I'm going to get data for is this Blue Yeti camera. So I'm just going to copy this thing, paste it in here. Sorry, this was the product ID. So we're just going to copy it in here and paste it in here. And then python test.py. And as you can see, we have got Blue Yeti data and the title, the images that it belongs to, the different variants it has, and also the pricing for it, and also the seller details for it. So as you can see, we have got quite detailed data. Now, if you really want to save your time and don't write complex sector code to get such kind of data and maintaining month over month, you're in the right place. You can simply use the AliExpress Scrapper API. It has been rated excellent on Trustpilot by Omkar Cloud has developed it, and you get 100 requests free every month. So if you want to try it out, the link's in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you and have a great day.